Good morning everyone, welcome to our channel YorkshireLad&LassOutdoors. I'm Sam.
And I'm Steve.
So we're in the Yorkshire Dales this morning. It's absolutely peed it down outside. It's a really groggy morning, but there's a waterfall like 10 metres away, so we plan on having a dip in there. It's a beautiful waterfall actually. We kind of like found it by accident, didn't we?
Yeah.
I mean, it's a proper hidden gem. It's so nice. It's not a real big waterfall. It's only small. Gaztec Beck waterfall. That's what it's called.
It's a lot funny.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. So the plan is for today is have a little dip in this waterfall, get back to the car, get changed, get dried, dressed, and changed, and then we're going to go find some caves. It's called Yordas Cave, and it looks quite interesting on Google Maps, doesn't it?
There's supposed to be a waterfall inside of it, isn't there?
Yeah. So it'd be interesting if we can find it. I mean, it has been raining, so we don't know if it'll be waterlogged, do we?
Or if it's open.
Yeah. So that's the plan for today. But for now, let's get this cold dip done then. Oh yeah, we forgot to mention as well about the car camping spot that we stayed at last night. It was so quiet, wasn't it?
Yeah. From about 5:30, not a car went until first car we had was about just gone 7 o'clock in the morning. And it was absolutely pitch black here, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's absolutely secluded. There were no sounds of birds, sheep, nothing. It was just so silent.
Yeah.
It was that quiet you could hear waterfall.
To be fair, I thought I would have heard like maybe some owls and stuff because there's a few trees about, but there were nothing. Like you say, just
Dead zone.
I mean, the village of Dent is not far. It's only what?
A few miles.
Yeah. No, it's not even a few miles.
It's a few miles, yeah.
Is it? Oh, yeah. I thought it was like half a mile away.
It seems quicker in the car, maybe.
Maybe so, yeah. But yeah, it's just really good. I know we always manage to find good car camping spots, but this was definitely.
Aye.
Yeah. This was one of the definitely one of the best ones. So.
Very lucky, won't we, to find it?
Yeah, definitely, yeah. So that's where we've been all night, tucked away in this little lay-by.
You need a waterfall in this background.
You can, yeah.
Just literally a few feet away, like Sam said, about 10 metres. Keep there.
Must admit, it's a very gloomy morning, isn't it? Sheep's thinking, huh? What are you doing? It's off anyway. Oh, bloody hell. Done that before, hasn't he?
There we are.
Woo.
Be careful, it's quiet.
Yeah. So yeah, we tested the depth of the water yesterday. So if we've got any viewers that didn't see the video previous to this one, we have a deeper, it's like a depth.
Deeper fish finder.
Yeah, deeper fish finder, but it lets you know the depth of any bodies of water.
And it tells you if any hidden obstacles are.
Yeah. So we did it yesterday.
Obstructions.
Yeah. And it is deep enough for a dip anyway. It gets to about 7 foot one in some places. Yeah. So yeah, I'm feeling cold now. Actually, it feels a bit more forced than yesterday, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's not it?
Yeah. You can see it, can't you?
Holy word. Okay. Oh.
So we've had our morning swim for today, our daily dip. That was pretty magical as well. That was lovely, that one. I think that's one of the best waterfalls that we've ever swum in, I'd have said.
Until the next one.
Yeah. Although admittingly I didn't go under the waterfall, you did, and you said it was really cold, didn't you?
Very cold.
But the water in the dippy pool bit was really nice. It was really good. I enjoyed that. So now we're going up this mountain pass, and we're going to go find Yordas Cave. There we are, Yordas Cave.
It says 8 minutes away.
Yeah.
But that didn't mean that, was it?
No, no. So we'll let you know when we get there.
Yeah, it's fast travel car.
Oh yeah, bloody hell, are you? So obviously it's really claggy now, but I bet there'll be some beautiful scenery up here on a clear day. It really is a stunning part of the Yorkshire Dales. It's Yorkshire Dales, North Yorkshire, isn't it?
It's fucking hell.
Wasn't meant to catch that on camera. Bloody Nora. It's a bit steep as well.
We can't actually fully laden up.
No.
I thought I was doing my biting point, but won't have it. My brake on. Keep going, 7 minutes it says. I can't see that.
So yeah, this is what was I saying? Yeah, Yorkshire Dales, North Yorkshire. So that's where we've parked. There's a little bit of car parking there along the side of the road, and we're just heading up this bit of a steep mountainside. Well, it's not really a mountainside, hillside. Bit of a sloppy old mess, but it'd be worth it if we find this cave.
The wood torch been better, wouldn't they?
Yeah, definitely.
My torch on?
No,
Is it on now?
it is now.
Not very bright, that, yeah. Better. Watch me noggin, haven't I?
Get my other torch out. Wow, it's quite high, isn't it?
A deep cave, this one, isn't it?
Hey?
Big cave, isn't it?
Yeah.
Big cavern.
Bloody hell, aye. Massive. We'll see if we can find this waterfall.
So where's the waterfall then?
I don't know. You see, it's wet.
Oh,
through.
Sam!
Yeah?
See ya!
Alright, I'm coming. Ah, my feet are getting
That is
wet.
spectacular.
Is it?
Yeah.
That one there. Oh, bloody hell, aye. Oh my god, wow.
Fancy dip, do you?
Hey? No! Feels freezing, yeah. So we're just going to have a little explore in these woods because on the map it looks as though there's a waterfall in this little wood.
Yeah.
So we've decided just to go have a little mooch and see if we can find it, seeing as we're here in this area.
Let's see if it's a nice one or not.
Yeah. To be fair, we don't very often come to an area twice, do we? If we've already explored it, there's so many things to see and do. It's hard to keep coming back and doing the same stuff, unless it's something like really spectacular.
Yeah, yeah. To be fair, that waterfall, that cave, that was spectacular.
Yeah, it was, yeah.
And that's one today, that was spectacular, no?
Yeah, it was, yeah. You know what today is?
The word of the day, spectacular.
Oh dear. So we found this little waterfall.
And the word for this one is not spectacular.
No. Put you over the edge so you can see. As far as I dare. There you go. Excuse me. So yeah, I don't think there's any more to explore around this area. So we're going to get off back to the car now and find our next location to have a drink and something to eat because we've not had nothing to eat today, so we're starving. So we'll see you at the next location. See you in a bit. Bye. There's Steve. They won't hear. He's marching on. Hi, welcome back to the Yorkshire Dales. So we found our next location. And it's a pretty good one again. Got some gorgeous views. Some hills in the background. Some moody weather coming. I'm not even sure where they call this road, what we're on, but I will have a look and I'll put it on screen. This little stream river, I don't know if you can see there, it goes all the way along there. That carries on all the way up to where the Wainwaith waterfall is. But yeah, I'm quite chuffed at this one. That's a good balancing act. The same. It's very level though. We're level, aren't we, Stephen? Car's absolutely blattered up to hell. But yes. And it's really quiet. There's nobody back. Absolutely remote as anything. We haven't even seen no cars pass us yet. Even on way up, there was a couple passing. Or a couple of cars passing us on the way down. Or we was on up, obviously they was going down. And then apart from that, we've parked up here. It's a bit more windy up here though. It's not as, last night's spot was really secluded and this one's a bit more out in open, but just waking up in the morning, just having a nosy at them views, breathing in all fresh air, just definitely recharges your batteries. Looks like that's another road there, going up there. Didn't even know there was all these hillside roads going through all here, going through Yorkshire Dales. We've not been in this part before. So yeah, so we're going to get something to eat now. Steve's just setting all the cooker up. As soon as we've got to our destination, where we're going, where we're staying for the night, to the location where we're staying for tonight, we get set up straight away and put the window blinds on. Because there's nothing worse than doing it later on when it gets dark and you've got to open car again and let all the cold in. So all the window blinds get put on. Apart from that one, that's just blacked out window there. And I've got the back one on. It's all nice and private. So yeah, that's about it for now. I'll get some dinner. I've got my dinner cooked.
Double sausage. Double sausage.
And Stephen's got his dinner cooking now. We didn't have enough room in the pan to cook it all together, did we? So cooking it separate. But he's done mine first, hasn't you, love?
What first?
He's starving.
Yeah.
Oh dear. I am actually really ready for mine, to be fair.
I've really taken a long time to boil that kettle.
Mm.
You know what Sam says? 20 past.
Mm. What's more?
We were learned as a youngster, don't speak with mouth full. I do prefer these lights to them strip lights. It's so much better, last a hell of a lot longer. So on blacks, I think it was half price. We've ordered 2 more, haven't we?
Yeah.
Amazon, they're 30 quid each, and Bracks, I think they're about 14, 15 quid. They get 2 for 30 quid, don't you?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah,
and
like
save them being knocked off and all the time. Don't last about 2 nights there, going to go flat with these. They've been on 2 nights, and they're not just going on 1 bar.
Yeah, and we've used them in that cave as well, haven't we?
Yeah, and you know exactly with them how much you use to charge them with them. 1 minute they're on, next minute they're dead. There's no pre-warning, is there?
No.
So our next upgrade, that in a bit of frying pan. I'm that with Sam at home.
What the hell? You'd never find all these good camping spots.
Oh,
you found this one, didn't you?
Girl Zone Lighthouse.
Girl Zone Lighthouse.
120 women, 150.
What's that, 0?
Yeah, gold 0.
Oh, goal 0 Lighthouse.
That's
Flash.
Yeah, flash. But they were charged, don't they? We didn't bother buying that one because there's no point.
No, they ain't. Right.
Well, these walk years and years, last forever, don't they?
Yeah, we usually use them when we go wild camping, don't we? Hang them in tent and stuff, so...
That 30 quid a bit dear, but half price.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong.
Black Friday deals.
On these mini torches, your first position is an handy flashlight, which we used from the caves, didn't we? Your second position is on brightness, and your third one is on a bit on low. Yeah. And then it's just off. Just so good, aren't they?
Yeah.
And they rechargeable now. Like you say with these ones, they're good, they're brighter, but there's no warning when they conk out.
No. That's it. Steve's got his 2 bacon and sausage wraps.
It's peanut.
And I've got my cappuccino coffee. And I've got some Baileys in it. So it's really Christmassy. So it's a perfect little end really today. It's been a good day today. Just chilling out now. It's nice, is that? It's really cosy. It's cosy and warm in here. Isn't it? Cheers. Merry Christmas. Good morning from Hotel Picasso. As you can probably hear, it's a bit of a crappy morning. Lots of rain and wind during the night.
But one good thing about wind and rain is it just makes you sleep better.
Yeah, that's true, yeah.
Wind and rain howling.
It does, yeah. When you hear the rain pitter-pattering on the car, it does. It's a really relaxing sound.
Yeah, very soothing, yeah.
So we didn't really do much filming yesterday afternoon when we got settled down because we weren't really doing much. We were just enjoying the rest of our trip, chilling out, watching movies, weren't we?
I think we watched 2 or 3, didn't we?
Yeah, and then we just had some tea and just did the same again, really, didn't we? So it's good that we never had to get out the car. Once it was all set up, that was it, because it come really windy and it was quite cold. It's good that we never had to get out the car.
Yeah.
So, like I say, we're up early this morning. We're going to get off home. So I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as we've enjoyed the trip. Thank you to all our old subscribers and our new subscribers, and all your comments. Please, if you've got any comments, we will always try to answer them. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah, thank you then.
You got anything to say, Steve?
No, thank you then. Bye.
All right, see you later. Bye.